learn awakening dua. Alhamdulillahilladzi ahyana ba'da ma amatana wa ilayhin nushur. One more time. Alhamdulillahilladzi ahyana ba'da ma amatana wa ilayhin nushur. Yes, you should memorize by repeating again and again at least 5 to 7 times. Now it's the time to learn translation. All praise is for Allah, who gave us life after having taken it from us. Who gave us life? Allah. And to Allah we have to return, and unto Him is the resurrection. And inshallah, that will be the greatest day of our life, when we will return to Allah Almighty and we will meet to Allah Almighty, inshallah. Then you should get up from the bed happily, with a happy face, then brush your teeth and make wuzu properly, then read Fajr Namaz and read Holy Quran daily. Have a healthy breakfast. Now it's the time to wear school uniform nicely. Wear school uniform nicely. And now it's the time to learn. Go to school.